The Camon 20 Premier 5G is the latest mid-range device from Tecno and is priced at 295,500 naira. It boasts impressive features such as 120Hz AMOLED screen, 108MP ultra-wide lens, 50MP main camera, and the Mediatek Dimensity 850 chipset. In this detailed review, we'll explore the design, display, performance, camera, and battery of this device to help you decide if this is the right choice for you. Let's start with unboxing. Inside the box, you get the Camon 20 Premier itself with its sleek leather finish and the stainless steel sides. Also included, we've got the 45 watts fast charger, a USB-C Type-C cable, a pair of headphones, and a transparent silicone case. Now we're done with the unboxing, let's continue with the review. The design of the Camon 20 Premier, it features a premium design with a leather finish at the back, which not only adds a touch of class on this device, but also provides a comfortable grip. The phone's frame is made of stainless steel, lending the device a more premium feel compared to plastic frames. The rear panel houses a large camera module that comprises of a triple camera setup and an LED flash. The power and the volume rocker are positioned on the right side of the device, while the dual SIM card slots and the microSD slots are located at the bottom. The bottom also houses the USB Type-C port and a speaker grille. For the display, the Camon 20 Premier comes with a 6.6 inches AMOLED display, offering a resolution of 1080 by 24,000 pixels. The display is vibrant and sharp, and it has accurate color reproduction with great viewing angles. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and a fluid user experience when navigating through the user interface or playing games. The display also features a punch hole cutout, which houses the 32MP front-facing camera. And an in-display fingerprint scanner is also present, providing a fast and secure way to unlock this device. This feature adds an overall sleek and modern design to this device. Under the hood, the Camon 20 Premier is powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 830 5G chipset, which is paired with 8GB of RAM and 256 or 512 internal storage. It's expandable up to 1TB with microSD. Additionally, the device features 8GB of memory fusion, which allocates memory resources to optimize performance. This combination of hardware allows this device to deliver snappy performance and handling everyday tasks with ease and providing a lag-free experience when multitasking. The 5G connectivity ensures fast internet browsing and seamless streaming, making the Camon 20 Premier 5G future-proof in terms of network capability. However, it's essential to note that 5G coverage may not be available in your area, so check with your local network provider for availability. In terms of gaming, the Camon 20 Premier can handle most graphics-intense games on HD and Ultra HD settings without any issue, thanks to its capable GPU. On Geekbenchmark, this device scored 1094 on a single core and 3222 on multi-core. On Antutu, it scored 660,071, which is quite high. For the camera, the Camon 20 features a triple camera setup on the rear, including a 50MP main sensor, 108MP ultra-wide, and a macro sensor of 2MP. There are various shooting modes like HDR, AI scene detection, slow motion, and a dedicated super night mode, which enhances low lighting photography. The 50MP main camera is equipped with RGBW Pro and Sensor Shift OIS, which ensures true colors, sharper images, stable photos and videos in all light conditions. The ultra-wide-angle lens allows for more creative shots and capturing more scenes in a single frame. In plain English, it's good for group photos. In low light conditions, the Super Night mode helps improve image quality. The front-facing camera is 32MP that offers an excellent selfie performance. Images captured are sharp and well exposed, with natural skin tones and good details. Video recording on the Camon 20 Premier is available at 4K at 30 frames per second. For the rear camera, it's 1080p at 30 frames per second. The video quality is decent, and the Sensor Shift OIS ensures stable footage when shooting handheld. Electronic image stabilization is also available, providing additional stability during video recording. Next, let's talk about the battery. The Tecno Camon 20 is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which provides excellent battery life. With moderate usage, including web browsing, social media, and occasional video streaming, this device could easily last a full day on a single charge. This device also supports 45 watts fast charging, allowing you to top up your battery when needed. It takes approximately 1 hour to charge this device from 0 to 100. For the software, the Camon 20 runs on Tecno's HiOS 13, which is based on Android 13. This user interface is clean and easy to navigate, with a good selection of customization options and features. The pre-installed bloatware is minimal, and most of the third-party apps can be uninstalled if not needed. For my conclusion, let's talk about the pros and the cons. For the pros, it has 5G, 120Hz AMOLED screen, 50 megapixel and 108 megapixel ultra-wide lens, Dimensity 850 chipset, which is amazing, an in-fingerprint display scanner, 5000 mAh battery, 45 watts fast charger. Believe me, this is a lot. Now let's talk about the cons. It doesn't have wireless charging. It's splash-proof, not waterproof, which is a downside because a lot of us swim with our phones. But if you're in the market looking for a powerful mid-range device that has 5G, the Tecno Camon Premier is definitely worth considering. I hope you find the video very helpful. Don't forget to drop a comment below and tell me what you think about this device. And also like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.